I am so confused, like, girl, what is going on in the cap here? Honey, these lumpy, bumpy, crumpy tracks that they got placed all mismatched. Did we make this unit while we were blindfolded in the dark? How could you stamp your approval on this unit and just ship it out?
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Van taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Tatienne and the color number 2, so let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does also come with an elastic band. It does have baby hairs. It is pre-plucked, and you do get that 13x6 parting space. So let me just come in and show you guys what the hairline's looking like on this one. So compared to all the other perfect hairline units, this one definitely is not as plucked as those ones are. So that's the first downfall for me, honey. The cap size on this one is also definitely much smaller than I would like. It's small to medium head friendly, but definitely I would not say it's big head friendly. There's not really much stretch to the cap. The texture of the hair is actually really nice. It's giving me the vibe of like a relaxed yaki. So the quality and the texture of the hair feels really nice. This is the density. So as you can see, I feel like it looks a little bit fuller on camera than what it actually is. If I had to guess the density, I want to say it's 120% to 130% at most. So definitely on the natural density side. It's on the thinner side, honey. Now I just need to get into the cap construction of this bad boy real quick because, honey, the track situation. I need to turn around for y'all to see because I can feel it. Like the tracks are just all over the place. Like you can feel them, they're all poking out. It doesn't feel like the wefts are sewed down all the way correctly. Like, honey, this is not up to Outre's standard. I am honestly shocked. This is probably the worst cap construction I've ever felt on an Outre unit, and y'all know this is my favorite company. They always come with it for me, but for this one they absolutely did not. It's a disgrace. This cap construction is a disgrace. The track placement is a disgrace. Like, I am utterly confused, especially with the price that they're charging for this, honey. Not worth it. So this one is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. This one is also in 26 inches, and I'm 5'3" for reference, so it's definitely a longer unit. So let me just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number 1 con with this unit is going to be what I just ranted about, which is the track situation. These lumpy, bumpy, crumpy tracks that they got placed all mismatched. The cap construction on this one is absolutely atrocious, and they should be ashamed of themselves. And especially because it's not even a reasonable price. Like the price that you're charging for this cap construction, honey, it absolutely has got to go. Another con that I'm gonna say is definitely the tangling and shedding. It wasn't anything too crazy or anything too excessive, but just something to note. I think another con that I'm gonna have to say is I wish the hairline was plucked out more, especially because the Perfect Hairline collection, I feel like they always come with it with a hairline, but this one, they kind of dropped the ball. You can go in and customize it, and the knots, definitely note, y'all, the knots are kind of like noticeable on this. You definitely gonna have to do your thing with the concealer, because even straight out of the box, I was like, girl, what is going on with these knots? It has to be be either they're double or triple knotted, because those knots are definitely noticeable, honey. So that's definitely another con that I have. I feel like if it wasn't all lumpy bumpy like this and the construction was hitting how it was supposed to be hitting, I could do with the other cons. But because of that, this is going to be a no-go. I'm not going to suggest this for anybody to pick this up, honestly. But I will still leave this off on a positive note and give you guys the pros of this unit. The pros are the hair quality is very gorgeous. The style of it is very pretty. It's the fact that you do get that 13x6 parting space, so it is versatile. Yeah, it's a shame because this could have been a good unit. I thought this was going to be along the vibe of the Marissa unit that they just put out, but it's not. Like, they just dropped the ball with this one entirely, and I just gotta say I'm extremely disappointed. Outre, like, I'm extremely disappointed. But that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.